Hi friends, don't forget to subscribe my that YouTube channel and must press the like button for getting new video update at first. Hi friends. Hello friends, I am here with a new video in my that YouTube channel. Today I must be explaining about WhatsApp new upcoming features, WhatsApp status, and if you want to know what is it, then come with me. Hello. So WhatsApp is already rolling out a new interesting feature named WhatsApp Status Add feature, and WhatsApp Beta Info has already reported that this new feature of WhatsApp will be published to the next year in 2019. Hopefully, WhatsApp partner Facebook announces that this new upcoming feature will help us to know how many people are using it. This feature you will get it in WhatsApp beta version 2.18.305 and you can see it in your WhatsApp status section in your that application. Till now these features are still disabled for users. Hopefully it will be published throughout next year, so we have to be wait for it. And so many companies are testing their ad focus features including Uber and Singapore Airlines. And WhatsApp Messengers has already hit 450 million daily active users, so it's a really amazing thing for us. And we are getting this features WhatsApp status at very soon. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you have loved my channel. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon button.